Okay, final check video, ignition on, and note the RPM came straight up. Illumination lights on, 2, 3, all fine. There was a lamp blown on the far right hand side. I've changed that one. Turn those off, it's a bit bright. Turn the coolant warning light on because that takes about 30 seconds to operate. Warning lights, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, absolutely fine. And main beam light, far right, indicator lights, and boost gauge. I've set the medium gauges. That's that's cool. Lights just come on, so let's kill that. Again, check the warning lights. Yep, 2 coolant light warnings there. Warning light there. Warning light there. Revs, absolutely fine. Calibration is good. And speedo, again, fine. It's been working for hours today without any glitches whatsoever. Odo's fine. Yep, all good to go.